Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making cake pops. I realized I had never made them on this channel before. I personally am not the biggest fan, but I actually had someone a while back ask me what is the difference between cupcakes and cake pops. Big difference. Yes, really big difference. So I'll show you how to make cake pops and then you can compare them. So let's get started. We need three major things: cake of any flavor you prefer, buttercream of any flavor you prefer, and some melted chocolate. I'm using Oreo cake with Oreo buttercream. Begin by crumbling the cake into a large mixing bowl. This is a 6-inch cake that I'm using today and will make a lot of cake pops. Then spoon some buttercream into the cake crumbs. Using your hands, knead the buttercream into the cake crumbs. I used about a cup of buttercream or 6 heaping tablespoons. Depending on how moist your cake is, you may need more or less buttercream, but in the end you want the cake pop dough to be about the consistency of Play-Doh. Then roll the cake pop dough into balls. This amount of cake and buttercream will make a total of 24 cake pops. I allowed some of the cake pops to freeze for about 10 minutes to help them firm up. Then I dipped some lollipop sticks in chocolate and stuck them into the cake pops. Then freeze them another 10 minutes or until the chocolate completely sets. Then dip the cake pops into melted chocolate. You can use any kind of chocolate you prefer or candy melts if you prefer that. You will need a lot though. This is about 200 grams of dark chocolate and it really only was enough for these 7 cake pops. I'm setting them on a plate cake pop down, but if you have a cake pop stand or a good piece of styrofoam to push the sticks into to allow it to stand up, you can put them upright. I allowed them to freeze for another 30 minutes or until the chocolate completely sets. Decorate them while the chocolate is still wet. We just added a few sprinkles. If the cake pops set, cake pop down, then you may need to loosen the hardened chocolate from the plate. If they set upright, then that shouldn't be difficult to pick up. These taste just like a cupcake put in a blender and smothered in chocolate. So not quite the same thing. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.